What's shaking with Goldman Sachs? In 2018, it announced the launch of its Launch with GS initiative. It was said to be committing to invest $1 billion in companies that were led, founded, and owned by women and people of color. The goal was said to be to generate strong investment returns and harness the untapped potential of diverse entrepreneurs and leaders. For an organization as big as GS, that's a big gesture when it comes to DEI in finance. It might have been an implication that diversity can be not just a moral imperative, but also a sound financial decision. And what's going on in January 2024? Goldman Sachs was said to have shuttered the initiative. Why? Because GS claimed that it had fulfilled its goal. In June 2023, it was said that GS announced that it had met its commitment to invest $1 billion in diverse-led companies. It was said that GS had deployed much of its capital within its asset and wealth management division, making close to 60 investments and supporting nearly 50 startups. So what's happening in the background? It seems like DEI programs may be facing opposition and potential litigation in the US. It's said that conservative groups in the US have threatened to sue companies that have policies meant to boost ethnic and racial representation. The issue is that some groups opine that DEI programs constitute illegal discrimination and breach the duties of directors to investors. Some companies, like JP Morgan Chase, are said to have even modified such policies. So it's almost like damned if you do, damned if you don't. Is a company like GS moving away from a commitment to diversity and inclusion? Maybe not. GS is set to now focus on the 1 Million Black Women Initiative. This is a 10-year pledge that was set to be made in 2021. The initiative is set to aim to provide $10 billion in investment capital and $100 million in philanthropic aid. Its goal is set to be addressing disproportionate gender and racial biases that Black women may be facing. Yet it's said that GS has not publicized its financial returns associated with the Launch with GS program. So that might make some wonder about whether diversity in leadership and workforce composition correlated with better financial performance. What does it take for founders of underrepresented groups to access capital?